you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going? How's it going, man? How's it going? What you got running in here?
Two Resilient Sounds Platinum 18 V2s on a single Stetsom Flex 8K, wired to 0.5, and it's a low voltage system, so we will be doing this at 11:05.
Oh yeah, you down there?
Yeah. I'm just trying to find songs now, because this sub right there behind you, so it's not exactly full of what it usually is.
What are they playing?
Yeah, it's playing. I mean, I plan on singing it today, so
Oh yeah, you made it.
yeah. It blows, it blows.
Hey, right, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. TikTok anywhere?
TikTok at the Bang in Malibu.
Okay, I'm gonna try to tag them down below. Good seeing you, bro. Y'all left your car down here and everything.
Oh, sweet.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Thank you.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.